So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you run this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. Now you want to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now this will come up, the Windows Update Troubleshooter. You want to click on next. It's now going to run this, wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, if it detects any issues, it will try to fix it for you. Hopefully this will not fix your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.